Hi everyone, I'm really sorry about this super quick unorganized video, but I have really no time. The box is launching tonight, so I need to get the video done now. So I'll quickly show you what's in this box. There's some holographic sparkle vinyl. This color is fuchsia. There's some adhesive foil. This is a package that has gold. It looks like black, gray, and bronze. Sorry, yeah, I said gold, black, gray, and silver and bronze. Some more adhesive foil. In this case, it's silver, teal, purple, gold, bronze, and black. This one is called a stainless sampler. There's some more adhesive foil here. In this case, there's some purple, silver, gold, and teal. It looks like the silver isn't brushed like the other colors are. Some more adhesive foil. This one is stainless teal. There's a carrying bag for a Cricut Explorer. The home organization Cricut cartridge. Gives you an idea of what's in here. You can organize the kitchen, makeup, different things. This is a classic pen set. A metallic pen set. And a black fine point pen set with 10 pens in it. They have a 0.4 tip. Couldn't think of the word there. And then finally, some Cricut washi sheets. These are called Anna's Pretty Prints. So the details of the price for the Cricut mystery box will be below the video. Use my discount code SCRAPPYDIVA to get an additional 10% off and free shipping. And as always, if you're an Access member or a Cricut Circle member, you get an additional 10% off automatically. Good luck, everybody!